Elon Musk's insane plan to fix lithium shortage. On the 8th of April, our favorite billionaire and CEO of Tesla and Spacex, Elon Musk, sent a tweet out to the world stating that the price of lithium, a key component in EV batteries, and really the thing that EV production is completely dependent on, had gone up to insane levels. In fact, the world could face a lithium shortage by 2025. Luckily, Elon had some good news too, tweeting that there is not a shortage of the element lithium itself. It's just that the pace of extraction and refinement is too slow to keep up with demand. Elon now plans to fix that with Tesla's own lithium refinery in Texas. Want to know more? We'll tell you everything you need to know about the lithium shortage and how Elon is going to save the world from this shortage in today's video. But before we begin, welcome to Elon Musk Times, the place to be for news about Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and today, a possible Tesla lithium refinery in Texas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit the bell icon to never miss a video. Now, let's dive right in. From mobile phones and laptops to smartwatches and electric vehicles, nearly everything that runs on rechargeable batteries in our world today requires lithium. However, with the recent boom in the electric vehicle industry, lithium is becoming more scarce, and with scarcity comes a price increase. The price of lithium carbonate, the substance collected from the earth, has increased 432% year on year, reaching roughly $62,000 per metric ton in April 2022. In comparison, it was roughly $11,000 the previous 6 years. While the earth possesses more than enough lithium, it must be harvested from brine pools and underground sources. Current mining operations are insufficient to meet the car industry's expanding demand. According to the International Energy Agency, global EV purchases increased to 6.6 million in 2021 from 3 million the previous year, representing 9% of the market. They accounted for global automobile sales, which increased to 66.7 million last year, up from 63.8 million in 2020. This means that non-EV sales declined by 700,000 units. Petrol and diesel car sales are expected to fall faster in the following decade as more governments commit to phasing them out. At last year's COP26 climate conference, 30 nations pledged to phase out new gas and diesel vehicles by 2040. According to estimates from the U.S. Department of Energy Scientific and Engineering Research Center, the Argonne National Laboratory, a lithium-ion battery pack for a single electric car holds roughly 8 kilograms of lithium. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, global lithium output totaled 90.7 million kilograms last year, with global reserves estimated to be over 20 billion kilograms. Lithium production is divided by the quantity required per battery, and it's shown that enough lithium was mined last year to produce just under 11.4 million EV batteries. This is a number that annual electric car purchases might reach shortly, since first quarter sales increased by 75% yearly to 2 million. The world's lithium reserves should be enough to fulfill the predicted increase in demand. This is assuming that all the reserves can be brought into production and that they are all suitable for use in batteries, which is not likely. According to the IEA, just a few businesses can make high-quality, high-purity lithium chemical products. While numerous proposed expansion projects are in the works, it's unclear how quickly their output will be available. Lithium mines that began operations between 2010 and 2019 required an average of 16 and a half years to develop. The world might face lithium shortages by 2025, and, according to Credit Suisse, lithium demand could triple between 2020 and 2025, putting supply at risk. According to the Transport and Environment Campaign Organization, there is only enough lithium to create up to 14 million EVs in 2023. Given the current trajectory of EV sales, many would-be consumers may be left empty-handed. Volkswagen, the world's second largest automaker, has already sold out of electric vehicles in the United States and Europe for 2022. Ford's e-Transit van was sold out before production had started. Another major impediment to getting lithium out of the ground and into electric vehicles worldwide is the concentration of these resources in a few regions. China controls around 70 to 80% of the global supply chain for electric vehicles and lithium-ion batteries. China presently accounts for 60% of worldwide lithium chemical production and claims to produce 80% of lithium hydroxide. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, Australia had the greatest output in 2021, although Chile has the world's largest lithium deposits. Along with Argentina and Bolivia, the South American country is part of the so-called Lithium Triangle. These three countries contain about 60% of the world's total lithium deposits. Even if we know where the lithium is and how to mine it, there is the problem that lithium extraction requires large amounts of water, which causes water stress, a condition in which a region's water supplies are insufficient to satisfy its demands. This is particularly disturbing, given that most lithium is found in drought-prone areas like South America and Australia. The San Cristobal mine in Bolivia is said to utilize 50,000 liters of water per day, while lithium mining companies in Chile have been accused of depleting critical water resources. Due to strong objections, Serbia canceled licenses for a lithium mine this year. Activists claim that the location would poison water sources and permanently destroy the countryside. So, what is Elon planning to do about the lithium shortage? Do we then abandon electric vehicles or use lithium? Because EVs are still a relatively young business, advancements in battery technology or production processes lie ahead, alleviating possible lithium shortages. While these advancements may take a while before we see them come to light, Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk are taking a different approach. According to a late August application for a property tax relief in Texas, Tesla is investigating the viability of establishing a battery-grade lithium hydroxide refinery on the Gulf Coast of Texas or Louisiana. Tesla's supply chain, like that of other EV manufacturers, is reliant on lithium, which has skyrocketed in price owing to scarcity. These batteries are also used in Tesla's energy storage devices. The company is considering the development of a battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility, which would be the first of its kind in North America, as well as facilities to support other types of battery materials, processing, refining, and manufacturing, as well as the ancillary manufacturing operations in support of Tesla's sustainable product line. Tesla will convert raw ore into useful material for battery manufacture at these factories. Compared to the usual procedure, Tesla's technique is unique and designed to employ fewer toxic chemicals and produce usable byproducts. The finished product, battery-grade lithium hydroxide, will be packed and sent by truck and rail to multiple Tesla battery manufacturing facilities, enabling the supply chain for large-scale and electric car batteries. According to Tesla, the project will generate 162 jobs at least. If the business picks a location, the building could begin as early as the final quarter of 2022, with commercial operations expected to begin by the fourth quarter of 2024. It stated in its Texas application that the lithium project might be built anywhere with access to the Gulf Coast shipping channel. It's also looking into a site in Louisiana. The Gulf Coast accessibility will likely allow easy entry of raw materials shipped into the factory. Currently, Tesla produces batteries for its EVs and energy storage products in the United States in its Gigafactory Nevada, which it shares with partner Panasonic. The business also intends to manufacture batteries in its new Gigafactory Texas, constructed outside of Austin's municipal boundaries. We don't know which states would provide Tesla with the most enticing tax cuts, but Texas appears to be the favorite because the corporation already has operations in the Lone Star State. Tesla moved its worldwide headquarters from California to the Austin region last year and is now scaling up EV manufacturing at Gigafactory, Texas. Tesla would benefit from having its source of battery-grade lithium. This would give it greater control over its supply chain and reduce the likelihood that a global shortage of this crucial battery ingredient would harm its company. Along with the availability gain, Tesla may receive a cost benefit, at least in the short term. The plan, if it's able to kick off quickly, sounds like a great one, as you'd expect from Musk. In the end, the company's goal is to get as many EVs on the road as possible, as it plans to transition the world into a greener and more sustainable Earth. If lithium is scarce, why not make your own? We are certain other big corporations may adopt this approach and effectively end the supply shortage problems, but for now, we'll have to wait and see. Alright, so what do you guys have to say about this one? Is Elon onto something? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure you leave a fist bump if you like our video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.